In a small village, there lived a young man named Chu. He often went fishing at night by the large river behind the village. The elders always warned him, "Do not go near the water at night. There is a spirit there." But Chu did not believe them. One night, the air was unusually still. The water was cold. The wind moved softly. As he cast his net into the river, he heard a voice, "Chu." He quickly turned around. There was no one there. He went back to what he was doing. But then the voice came again, closer this time. "Do you remember me?" At that moment, the water began to ripple, even though there was no wind. Slowly, a girl appeared from the river. Her face was pale, her long hair dripping wet. Her eyes stared directly at Chu. Chu was terrified, but he could not move. The girl spoke softly. "We were in love. You promised you would come back." Chu's heart began to panic because he did not remember her at all. Then the girl raised her hand, and the water rose, surrounding him. "If you do not remember me, you will stay with me forever." The next day, the villagers only found Chu's fishing net lying by the river. No one ever saw him again. From that day on, at night, people say they can hear two voices calling to each other. "Do you remember me?"